It is delightful to know that with the help of the research conducted by the interns and the internal team members, along with the jury panel and patrons of Asian Education Awards 2020, I have been selected for the Asian Education Award 2020 in the category of Award for Contribution to Education Community. I am most thankful to the team for the honor to be bestowed upon me on the 5th September 2020 in a virtual conference. Let me introduce myself with all of you. I am Dr. Vivekananda Chakraborty. I have been working in the field of education and literature for more than 3 decades. I hold my postgraduate and PhD in English literature. I have been conferred with honorary DLit from 2 universities. University of Cambridge in UK had conferred upon me Certificate of Honor in the year 2018. I have also been conferred with the designation of International Peace Ambassador by Center for Peace Studies Sri Lanka in the year 2019. In the year 2016, the former Honorable President, Government of India, respected Sri Pranab Mukherjee, conferred upon me National Award to Teachers at Bigyan Bhavan, New Delhi on the 5th September 2016. I have received fellowship from 4 international organizations: International Multidisciplinary Research Foundation, IMRF, International Benevolent Research Foundation, IBRF, Indian Academic Researchers Association, IARA, and South Asian Institute for Advanced Research and Development, SIAD. I have written 14 books till this day, and my 15th book under the title Mahatma, a symbol of peace, prosperity and humanity will be published shortly. Presently, I have been working as the headmaster of Midnapur Town School, a 138 years old heritage school of West Bengal. As for education, education must be man-making. Rabindranath Tagore said, the highest education is that which does not merely give us information but makes our life in harmony with all existence. But we find that this education of sympathy is not only systematically ignored in schools, but it is severely repressed. From our very childhood, habits are formed and knowledge is imparted in such a manner that our life is winged away from nature and our mind and the world are set in opposition from the beginning of our days. Thus, the greatest of educations for which we came prepared is neglected, and we are made to lose our world to find a bag full of information instead. We rob the child of his earth to teach him geography, of language to teach him grammar. Swami Vivekananda said, education is not the amount of information that is put into your brain and runs riot there undigested. You must have man-making, character building, assimilation of ideas. If you have assimilated only 5 ideas and have made them your life and character, you have more education than a man who has got by heart a whole library. Till this date, I have bagged more than 70 national and international awards, and this prestigious award is added in this list. From today, I would like to dedicate this award to my students who have made me what I am today. I do offer my sincere thanks to the team of Asian Education Awards 2020 and the organizers of Asian Education Conference. Thank you all.